Hello friends, today we shall discuss how Swadesh skill cards are helping jobless Indian experts gain employment. It helps out of job Indian citizens returning home to connect with prospective employers. Close to 31,000 returnees have thus far registered under the scheme. In June 2020, the Indian government started an initiative to map the skills of citizens returning under the Vande Bharat mission called Skilled Workers Arrival Database for Employment Support. The idea was to issue a card to such returnees so that they could be matched with relevant jobs in the country. This information given by returnees is being shared with the Ministry of Skills, Development and Entrepreneurship. It helps map skills with individual job descriptions. Sources said that close to 30,700 people have registered so far under this initiative, a joint effort of the Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, the Ministry of Civil Aviation, and the Ministry of External Affairs. The next step in this endeavor will be to help those with Swadesh skill cards to register at upcoming job fairs, move to partner countries, and also find employment through Skill India's employment initiative. So, what is the Swadesh initiative? Under Swadesh, there is skill mapping of citizens returning under Vande Bharat mission. It entitles those laid off from their jobs in other countries because of coronavirus outbreak to return to India and register for the skill card. Swadesh creates a database of returning citizens based on their skill sets and experience. Once the details are filled, a Swadesh skill card is issued. Of the total registrations, an overwhelming 80% or 24,500 citizens have returned from Gulf Cooperation Council countries like United Arab Emirates, Saudi Arabia, Oman, Qatar, Kuwait, and Bahrain. Amidst COVID-19, close to 1 lakh Indians are estimated to have lost their jobs in UAE alone in sectors like construction, finance, and hospitality in the wake of the pandemic. In Asia, UAE is the largest employer of Indians outside the country. The Ministry of Skill Development has also begun integrating the details of the card holders with Skill India portal ASEEM or Atmanirbhar Skill Employer Mapping. ASEEM is a government directory of skilled workforce. The objective is to provide a platform that matches supply of skilled workforce with the market demand, thereby facilitating better livelihood opportunities. At present, there are about 810 employers registered on the ASEEM portal who have between them posted a combined demand of approximately 5,10,000 jobs in India. So how is it benefiting the unemployed? Once the details are filled and a Swadesh skill card issued, the job requests are shared with Indian and foreign companies. The availability of employment opportunities will be set on job seekers' mobile number, email address, depending on work experience and sector expertise. Sources said that close to 5,000 Indians who have returned to the country have benefited by the scheme, gaining employment in sectors like manufacturing and construction.